Have you ever dreamed of becoming a blockchain developer? Well, mastering the basics is crucial, and today we're going to be diving into those essentials, a powerful testing framework called Hardhat. This tool is your all-in-one solution for everything Ethereum, from the editing and compiling to debugging and deploying smart contracts. Our main focus will be using Hardhat Runner, designed to seamlessly manage your development tasks. Join me as we walk through this installation, project setup, and some key tasks using Hardhat. Ready to simplify Ethereum's development? Let's jump into this. Alright, so we're here at the Hardhat installation page. We're going to have to install Hardhat now. To do so, we can either use an npm or we can use yarn. For this video, we will be using npm install --save--dev--hardhat. Alright, so here we go installing this. What we're going to do is make sure we copy it, paste it in, and let it go send. Alright, so now we run into a fork in the road where we have two different options. We can either use the npm init, which will give us the essential directories, but won't automatically create a project preset. But in this video, we're going to be kicking things off by using the command npx hardhat. This will not only set us up with a fresh Hardhat project, but will also be able to unlock all the powerful features Hardhat has to offer. Alright, so let's get this project started. Now what we're going to be using is JavaScript. We're going to be rooted in this area. Press OK. All dependencies are made. Just like how in Truffle Framework we use Ganesh to simulate a local Ethereum blockchain, with Hardhat we'll use the npx hardhat node command. This will provide us with a local test environment to deploy and test our smart contracts before deploying them on the live network. Upon running the npx hardhat node, Hardhat provides 10 default Ethereum accounts. Each account comes up with a private key and a large balance for testing purposes. Here is the final configuration setup. Now, compiling your contracts. To compile your contracts in Hardhat, you're going to have to use the compile task, which is the npx hardhat compile. The compiled artifacts will be saved in the artifact directory by default or wherever you configured the artifact path. After building your contracts, it's crucial to test them to ensure they function correctly. We'll use ethers to link with the Hardhat network. For the tests, we'll rely on Mocha and Chai. To execute the test specifically for the lock.js contract, we will use the command npx hardhat test/lock.js. This focuses on the test run only of the lock.js file. Perfect, looks like everything is passed. However, as this is a basic introduction, we will not go into deep details on setting up tests. Remember, Hardhat is adaptable, so you can customize your tests in setup or even opt out to different tools. Once your contracts are tested and ready, the next step is the deployment. As of now, Hardhat doesn't offer any special plugins specifically for deployment. However, they're actively working on it. Until then, we will suggest two different deployments. Deployment scripts. Writing a custom script is a straightforward way to deploy your contracts. It allows you to automate the process tailored to what your needs. Community plugins. Another option to utilize a Hardhat deployment, community plugins, which are a popular choice amongst many developers. For our example, we will be using the npx hardhat run -- network localhost scripts/deploy.js. Perfect. What we've covered today is the foundational guide to getting started with Hardhat. While this is just the tip of the iceberg, it lays the groundwork for what's to come. In our upcoming video, we'll dive deeper, focusing on crafting robust tests and perfecting the deployment process using Hardhat. Consider this as your first stepping stone towards becoming a proficient blockchain developer. I'll see you in the next video.